Hi, today we'll be looking into the gate pass feature. This feature is available in the receptionist section. Now sometimes a student might not be feeling well, or for some other reasons a parent might have to take a student before the school day ends. Now in that case, a gate pass can be issued by the school. Now to issue a gate pass, what we have to first do is go to this search section right here and write the name of the student to whom we want to issue the gate pass. Let's go with Rudrakshi. Okay, now when I've started to enter her name, there she shows up. Now, of course, the school might have multiple Rudrakshis, but they can be identified from their admission numbers, their parents' names, etc. So after identifying the right Rudrakshi, we can go to the right side and click on this Issue Gate Pass button. Okay, after that we have to name the visitor. This will be Mohini because that is her mother's name right here. And then the purpose of her visit, let's just go with not feeling well. And then there will be a photo taken of the person who has come to take the child, basically Mohini's photo. We'll have to click on this. Okay, now I've covered my camera so you cannot see anything. But in the actual case, we'll click on take photo and take a picture of the person who has come to take their child. Okay, going down, and then we'll click on this button right here, generate gate pass, and here we are. Now this is the gate pass. We can press Ctrl P on the keyboard to print this on a piece of paper. Now then the mother will take this gate pass to the gate and show it to the gatekeeper, and they will allow them alongside their child to leave the school premises. Okay, let's go back to the software. Okay, so below this all students section, there is a section called as requested gate pass. Now this section is based upon the mobile app. Now a tutorial for that app will come soon, but basically parents can request a gate pass without coming to the school or before coming to the school, so that they don't have to spend time in the school applying for the gate pass. They can just basically open the app on their phone and request a gate pass before coming to the school to take their child. Now all the requested gate passes can be either issued or rejected by the receptionist on the reception. And below that is the section of the rejected gate passes. So the gate passes that are rejected from this section right here will go down here. And then if we go to the right, there is still a chance to reissue these gate passes. If we click on that, we can just add the visitor's name. Let's go with Devi because that's what the mother's name is. Purpose of visit, urgent piece of work, for example. Then the photo will be captured. We have to click on this, take photo, the photo is taken. Then we click on this button right here, generate gate pass. And there we go. The gate pass is generated with all the details. We can again print this by pressing Ctrl P and print this on a piece of paper. Now last but not the least, back into the software, there is a feature called as gate pass list, which is a part of this function. Now this contains the record of all the gate passes issued. If we go to the bottom of it and go to the right, we can view all the gate passes that have been issued by clicking on the view button. Like for example, for this one, we can click right here and there it is, so that we can basically reprint it if required. Okay, last but not the least, there is option to download this whole list of gate passes in PDF form. Just by clicking that, it's downloaded and showing up right here. Okay, not only that, we can download it in the Excel format or CSV format. Same goes for the previous page. We can download all the students' data in PDF form, Excel form, CSV form. Same goes for requested gate passes and rejected gate passes. Thank you.